Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another options and play video update. So we're getting into earnings season, and we've only starting to see like kind of like a early look at some companies' numbers, and so far kind of mixed. But we're not into like the heart of the quarter. That's coming up over the next like two to 3 weeks. It's gonna get very busy very quickly. And I mean, you know me, I love ramping to the report trades. I'm always looking like a week out, week and a half out to see what's on the calendar and see if things start to like set up for those ramp into the report trades. Um, and interestingly, Tesla is one of the maybe the biggest names next reporting next week. And what's kind of interesting about it, I mean, both that it's Tesla, and I mean it's kind of always interesting just for that reason alone, but also um, kind of a quick setup for me, right? So um, the trade in March that we were looking at revolved around the break of this 20-day, right? So you can see this very clear downtrend that formed with the 20-day, which is the pink line, kind of setting the ceiling on that move, right? And then when it broke the 20-day, it literally never looked back. That was it. Closed above it, and the next day it just started to like just take off running, and then it didn't stop until it traded up to like 1150, right? What was interesting about the move is that it had like a quick run to the 50-day, paused, quick run to the 100-day, right? And then you had like a few days where it spun around above the 100-day. And that set up the next push when you had the stock split announcement, right? Um, on the way back down, I was thinking the 100-day would be significant, but I also wanted to make sure Tesla was going to hold it, right? So what you saw was it was the pullback, right? Hit it Monday, held. Hit it Tuesday, held, right? So that's 2 days in a row of it back testing the 100-day and holding, right? And now today you're getting the bounce off of it. The 100-day, significant, set up like the really nice quick bounce in December when it first hit it, right? You got the big breakout, you got the back test, and now it's starting to bounce again. And what's interesting about it, right? They report next week. So you had decent deliveries, stock that's had a little momentum, rolling over to back test a big level, holding that level, and now looking like it's maybe starting to turn the corner higher. Maybe it's setting up for a rampant report, right? So that was the thinking. That's what I was looking at. I was waiting to see if it held the 100-day. It held the 100-day. Now it's starting to tick up. So we'll see if this move has some power behind it, and it can start to turn the corner, and really get things going. All right. So something to keep an eye on. And obviously, like I said, Tesla is one of the biggest names reported next week, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of attention on it. So it's definitely something that I'm going to be keeping my eye on as well. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading events with options and all these ramp into the report style trades, which I'm always talking about, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and then we'll talk to you all tomorrow.